Welcome student. Now today we start chapter 2, relation and function. In this chapter, first we study Cartesian product of set. Cartesian product of set means suppose we have two non-empty set A and B, then Cartesian product of A and B denoted by A cross B is the set of all ordered pairs. Ordered pair means it is fixed in the order which element is the first place and which element is the second place, and these two elements are written inside this small bracket. So in the ordered pair such that first element A belongs to the set A and second element B belongs to the second element B. Because here A cross B, so first element from the set A and second element from the set B. Clear? So A cross B is the set of ordered pair AB such that A belongs to set A and B belongs to set B. So for this we take an example. Let set A consist of 3 elements A, B, C and set B consist of 2 elements 1, 2. Then A cross B. A cross B means set of ordered pair. First element from set A. So A comma 1. Then A comma 2. Then from B, B comma 1. B comma 2. Then next is ordered pair is C comma 1, C comma 2. So this 6 elements are in the set A cross B. Now consider the set B Cartesian product B cross A. So it is the set of ordered pair in which first element from the set B and second element from the set A. So first element from set B, B means 1. 1 comma A, then 2 comma A, then 1 comma B, 2 comma B, then 1 comma C and 2 comma C. So here also the number of element is remains 6. But you see here first element is A1 and here 1A. So clearly A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Because two ordered pairs are equal if and only if the corresponding first element are equal and second elements are also equal. Clear? Means if we have two ordered pair xy and 1, 2, then these two are equal. If first elements are equal means x is equal to 1 and second element are also equal means y is equal to 2. And if x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, then these two ordered pair are also equal. Okay. So now we get the result from this definition. We get number of element in A cross B is equal to number of elements in A into number of elements in the set B. Here you see in A we have 3 elements and in set B we have 2 elements. So A cross B consists of 3 to the 6. 6 elements we have. Also number of element in A cross B is equal to number of elements of B cross A. Here you see their number is same 6. And third is A cross B is equal to 5. Means this is the empty set if one or both of the set A and B are empty set. Because if one of them is empty, then we are not able to form the ordered pair. एक में तो एलिमेंट है, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल here A is A, B, C. But B में elements है ही नहीं. Then how can we make the ordered pair? So that's why if one of them is empty, then we are not able to form the ordered pair. It means their cross product is empty set, means 5. Now, if we have cross product of 3 sets, A cross A cross A, then it is the set of all the triplet A, B, C, where A, B and C, all these elements belongs to A, because it is the triplet A cross A cross A. So A is in A, B is in A, C is in A. So here A, B, C is called an ordered triplet. Now come to the example. If ordered pair x plus 1, y minus 2 is equal to 3, 1, then find the value of x and y. Because these two ordered pairs are equal, so first elements are equal. It means x plus 1 is equal to 3 and y minus 2 is equal to 1. After solving this, we get x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Now come to the next example. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 3, 4 and C is equal to 4, 5, 6. Now the question is find A cross B intersection C. So here first bracket is B intersection C. So we first find out B intersection C. In B and C, common element is only 4. So B intersection C is equal to 4. Now A cross B intersection C. A means the set 1, 2, 3. Its cross product with the set 4. So first element from A and second element from B intersection C. So we make the ordered pair 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. Clear? Now come to the second part. Second part is A cross B intersection A cross C. So we first find out A cross B. A cross B means first element from A and second element from B. So that will 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3. 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. Now we find out A cross C. A cross C. A cross C means 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5. 3, 6, 3, 4. Oh, sorry. 3, 6, 2, 6, 1, 6. 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. Then 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5. Then 1, 6, 1, 6 I had written last, 1, 6, 2, 6 and 3, 6. Now we have to take their intersection. Intersection. We see here 1, 4, 2, 4 and 3, 4. I put up the dash on these three elements. These three elements are common to both the in both these set. So their intersection is 1, 4, 2, 4 and 3, 4. Now you can do the 3, 3 and 4 part yourself. Now we can represent this cross product yani Cartesian product in graphically. You in the earlier classes you studied the presentation of the points in the Cartesian plane. So that Cartesian plane set these ordered pair are also a graphical representation of A cross B. So the set of all points in the plane represented by the ordered pair of A cross B. For example, the point 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3. If we consider these represent the set in case A is equal to 1, 2 and set B is equal to 3, then ordered pair is 1, 3 and 2, 3. So when we plot this point, then these 2 points on the Cartesian plane, then this is the graphical representation of A cross B. We can represent cross product by the help of Venn diagram. Set A and set B, we represent and write down the element is there, and we associate all the ordered pair by the arrow. 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B. We put up the arrow with each pair. 3A, 3B. So this is the diagrammatical representation of A cross B with the help of Venn diagram. Now come to the exercise 2.1. Question number 4. State true or false. If statement is false, rewrite the given statement correctly. If P is the set have elements Mn and Q is the set having elements Nm, then P cross Q is equal to Mn and M. So this statement is false because P have 2 elements, Q have 2 elements. So total number of elements is 4. Here we associate only first and second. But Mn, Mm, Nn and Nm. So these 2 mm and Nn are 2 other elements also in the set P cross Q. Now second part. If A and B are non-empty set, then A cross B is a non-empty set of ordered pair x, y such that x belongs to set A and y belongs to set B. This is the definition of the cross product. So this statement is true. Third, if A is equal to 1, 2 and B is equal to 3, 4, then A cross B intersection phi is equal to phi. Yes, this is true because B intersection phi. B with empty set is empty set. I told you earlier, in cross product, if one of the set is empty, then their cross product is also empty. So as B intersection phi is phi, so their cross product is also phi. Now come to the question number 5. If A is equal to -1, 1, find A cross A means triplet of this. So we have to triplet of these 2 elements because set A consists of 2 elements. So A cross A consists of 8 elements, 2 to the 4 to the 8. So we first associate with all 3 first element, -1, -1, -1. Then -1, -1, third element. Then we change here second element, -1, 1, -1, -1, 1, 1. यहाँ पे हमने second element change कर दिया. Now we change here the first set, we change the second element, 1, 1, 1. Then 1, -1, -1, 1, -1, 1, 1, 1, -1. So these are the 8 elements. Now next question number 6. If A cross B is equal to AX, AY, BX, BY, find A and B. Now A cross B means first element from A and second element from B. So from this we observe that first element is here A and B. So set A consists of 2 elements AB and second element here are X and Y. So XY, because these are the 4 elements and A have 2, B have 2, so 2 to the 4. So clearly from this we observe that A and B are these elements. We continue in the second video.